Greetings, Camso community. Welcome to our In the Shop video series. Today we're tackling a question that we get from a lot of folks. How will a Camso track system change the dimensions of my ATV or UTV? It's a great question because you'll need to know if your tracked ATV or side-by-side will fit in your garage, trailer, or truck bed. We'll show you how to measure the change in your vehicle's dimensions so that there's no guesswork or unwanted surprises. When installing a track system, chances are your vehicle's length, width, and ground clearance will all increase. To give you a better idea of by how much, we're comparing the difference in size for a 2024 Kawasaki Mule Pro FXR 1000 before and after installing a Camso UTV 4S1 track system. Keep in mind that the different makes and models of vehicles and track systems will all have different dimensions. You'll need to take your own measurements. To measure the dimensions of your ATV or UTV, you'll need the following tools: jack, wheel blocks, jack stands, measuring tape, impact electric wrench, and ratchet end. You'll also need our sizing chart. To know your vehicle's overall length once fitted with Camso track systems, you need to measure the vehicle's wheelbase and then add the offset lengths of the front and back tracks. The vehicle's wheelbase is the distance between the center of the front and rear hubs, so go ahead and measure that. Next, measure the front offset length. That's the distance from the center of the front hub to the front of the tire. Compare this front offset to that of a Camso UTV 4S1, which is 26.5 inches. Repeat this process for the rear offset. On a track system, the front and rear offsets are rarely the same. The rear offset is usually longer. Adding a Camso UTV 4S1 would give your vehicle a rear offset of 35 inches. Now add these three lengths together to get your vehicle's overall length. Here you can see how the length can differ from the same UTV fitted with tires versus a Camso UTV 4S1. To determine your vehicle's overall width, once fitted with a Camso track system, you'll need three measurements: the width of your vehicle's hub faces with the wheels off, plus the offset widths of the left and right tracks. The hub faces width is the distance between the center of your vehicle's left and right tires. Next, measure the offset width of your left and right tires. This is the distance from the center of the tire to its outer edge. This width will be the same on both sides, front and back, if all four tires are the same. Compare this to the right and left offsets for a Camso UTV 4S1, which is 7.25 inches. Simply add these three widths together to get your vehicle's overall width. Here you can see how the width can differ from the same UTV fitted with tires versus a Camso UTV 4S1. Next, measure your vehicle's overall height. Since every vehicle is different, we recommend measuring the distance from the vehicle's highest point to the hub axle and then adding the track system's ground clearance. Then, measure from the same hub axle to the ground to get your vehicle's ground clearance. Compare this to the Camso UTV 4S1, which has a ground clearance of just over 16.5 inches. Here's the final difference in height for the same UTV fitted with tires versus a Camso UTV 4S1 track system. To recap, here's how to determine your rig's dimensions once fitted with track systems. You'll need the sizing chart for your Camso track system model for this step. For the overall length, take the vehicle's wheelbase length and add the offset lengths of the front and back tracks. For the overall width, take the vehicle's hub face width and add the offset widths of the left and right tracks. For the overall height, take the distance from the vehicle's highest point to the hub axle and add the higher of the track system's two ground clearance heights. Then simply compare these dimensions to your current vehicle dimensions to know if your ATV or UTV will still fit in your trailer, truck, or garage. So that's it. You now know how to get your rig dimensions with tracks. Have fun out there with your Camso track system and check out our other In the Shop videos to get the most from every ride.